All right, gang, for our standing plate front raise, going to set up in a staggered stance with the right foot forward, left foot back. And what I want is basically your left toes to be on a line that is dissecting your right foot. So let's say that line is right in the middle of my arch, okay? Basically right where my shoelaces are. And my left toes are going to be on that line. So right leg is going to be slightly forward. You can even think about, take a step further, think about pushing this right knee slightly forward and pulling this left hip back, or even thinking about the right hip going forward, left hip going back, just so you create some rotation here. And so you can, if you look down, you can noticeably see this right hip is more forward than the left. Most of us naturally have a left hip that's kind of going forward faster than the right. Any chance we get to bring it back, I'll take advantage of. So staggered stance, always right foot forward unless I say otherwise in your program. And then from here, you want to make sure you have a good stack of the thorax on top of pelvis. This is key because when people go up and they raise their arms overhead, a lot of times they'll raise the rib cage and they'll go into an anterior pelvic tilt with the hips, okay? So I want you to get a good stack, nice straight line, running from top of the head, through the ear, through the shoulder, through the hip, knee, and ankle in this case. You're gonna grab your weight, maintain that stack, breathe in, exhale up, breathe in on the way down. So again, be mindful of that stack, because again, a lot of times people will end up in this position here, and I don't want that because you're cranking on your low back, you have no control of your rib cage, and I really want you to make sure you maintain that good stack. Guys, that's your standing plate front raise.